going to explain you other important interview questions. So they are giving some code, you need to answer the particular questions. In so many areas this type of questions is going to be given. So we are going to solve that particular thing. So like this you are going to solve. So based on if else, like this. Okay. So now we know that what is a unidirectional control structure. Unidirectional control statement or control structure. So unidirectional conditional control statement or unidirectional conditional control structure. Here we have a syntax. The syntax for the if is, if any condition is there, then we are going for set of a block of statements, Okay, if there is only one or another syntax for the if is, if condition, only one statement is there, then write that particular statement. No need to put flower brackets, closed and open flower brackets here, because of only one statement. So there is two syntaxes. So condition means there is a set of conditions. The conditions may be condition 1, 2, 3, so on. Condition, n number of conditions will be there based on the logical operations. I already provided some programs in my tutorials. Okay, see language programming list. I did that particular programs. Please see